I am super excited about this unboxing. I did pick up a pair of Balenciaga slides, and they are not just regular slides. So if you want to see the slides I picked up, just keep watching. If you're not new to my channel, then you know we do a ton of luxury unboxings and designer unboxings here on my channel. Usually purses, accessories, sunglasses, things of that nature. So it's a little bit different that I'm going to be doing a footwear video, but I feel like these are probably the hottest slides of the season. I had never seen them before. I had never heard anybody talk about them. I didn't even know they existed. So one thing about me is I love being the first to have something that I think is super cool and dope. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I think these are like literally the coolest slides of the summer. Before we get into today's unboxing, you may notice my candle in the back. If you have not watched my Forever Wick collaboration video, I'm going to link it above, but I am burning my stress relief candle. There is a genuine diamond inside of that candle, so I am burning it to reveal my diamond. I do have a discount code for Forever Wick. It is Amber15. So if you are interested in candles, diamonds, candles that have diamonds in them, definitely make sure you're checking out Forever Wick. And let's get right into today's unboxing. If you follow me on Instagram, the day these were delivered, I actually posted them in my story, I believe. Yeah, I posted them in my story. So if you do follow me on Instagram, then you probably have seen these before, but not this in depth. So what I picked up from Bloomingdale's are the Balenciaga women's BB Fluorescent pool slides. Like I mentioned, I had never seen these before, and I was just browsing Bloomingdales.com. I was looking for designer slides. I actually wanted the Balenciaga logo slides in the nude color, but they were sold out in my size. So this is how they come packaged. They're inside of a Balenciaga shoebox, and then each slide is in a dust bag. Now, you guys should know by now, I wouldn't get on here and just show you some regular slides. That wouldn't be very much me. That would be very boring, very regular. These are them, and I am going to insert a image right here from Bloomingdale's or Balenciaga's stock page on these. And what is so cool about them is the BB logo actually glows in the dark. I mean, how fire is that? The BB glows in the dark. Like, you could be lighting up the streets this summer. Like, you could literally be lit with these. So I had never seen them before. They are just the basic slide, your basic pool slide. The bottom does say Balenciaga. They are, I'm not really sure what this material is. And then the BB glows in the dark. And then on the heel, you also have the Balenciaga logo. I was a size 39, which is a US size 9 in these. These were, the box says $275. So I am assuming that is what I paid. But when I just went back to Bloomingdales.com, they're now $295. So I mean, that to me just means that that Bloomingdale's and Balenciaga knew that these was going to be so hot. They had to just increase the price a little bit. But I thought these were super cool. Like I said, I was in the market for just regular Balenciaga logo slides, specifically the nude color, and they didn't have my size, so these were at the bottom as styles you might like. And when I clicked on them, they just looked like this. I didn't really read the description that, well, not even the description. I really didn't read. I just really didn't read. And I didn't realize that they were glow in the dark. I was like, that is so cool that they glow in the dark. Like, I don't know. I've never seen anybody with glow in the dark slides. Never mind designer glow in the dark slides. And like I said, unboxing footwear is definitely something that I never saw myself doing on my channel. I'm really not a big fan of footwear. I don't really care for designer, not designer. I just really don't care for footwear. If you know my husband, it's super funny because he is a sneaker fanatic. He is like the real deal when it comes to sneakers. Like, he has the real exclusives. Yeah, but anyways, another thing that I love about these slides, the selling point for me was the glow in the dark BB logo, of course. And if you didn't know, my last name starts with a B, so I am super into bees. I have a bee necklace. So I actually have sunglasses with this logo on the side, so I thought it was perfect. But another thing that I really loved about this shoe, and like I said, I ordered them online, so I ordered them through Bloomingdales.com, so I didn't feel them or see them. I had never seen them in store or anything like that. But when I read the description, it did say that they were rubber, and that is important to me when it comes to a slide, because sometimes these designer slides aren't rubber. They're like, I guess, fabric or like this puffy. I know Gucci has like a puff one. I don't know what that material is. So I just feel like for what you really need a slide for, you want it to be rubber. So I really appreciated that, especially because, I mean, I'm somebody who wears my things. I'm going to be wearing these to the pool, to wherever I go. Hopefully I'll go to a beach. I don't know. I definitely thought that they were super cool. I didn't know that they existed, so I kind of just wanted to throw out there that if you are looking for a pair of luxury designer slides this summer, you actually can get a fluorescent pair from Balenciaga. And I just think that's so cool. Like, I live by like two style, I guess, like rules. And my first rule is to always be comfortable. That is one thing about me. I'm not wearing nothing that isn't comfortable. The last thing I wore that was uncomfortable was my wedding dress. I will insert a picture here. Believe it or not, that dress weighed more than 30 pounds. So I had burn marks from the dress on my chest. But rule number one when it comes to me is to always dress comfortably. And rule number two when it comes to my style is I like having things that I haven't seen before. They don't necessarily have to be designer. I just like cool pieces. And I definitely thought glow in the dark slides, I mean, it doesn't get much cooler than that. I almost feel like they're glowing. It's a super gloomy, rainy day in New Jersey. I feel like I've said that in like my last 4 videos. But it's seriously April showers. Like, it really is. There's no other way to explain it. It's been raining for days. One thing I will say is I definitely don't unbox everything I buy on camera on my channel. I don't do that. And I recently bought a pair of Burberry slides from Bloomingdale's as well. And when they arrived, they weren't in the individual bags. So I definitely just have to point out that Balenciaga definitely packaged their slides better. I'm always talking about things that, like, the little things that designers do that just make them stand out. Yeah, I just think that Balenciaga definitely packages their shoes very nicely. I am not sure if the sneakers come in dust bags. I don't own a pair of the Balenciaga sneakers. Let's just say I've never seen a pair that I love, but their slides I do love. So, and this pair I love a lot. And yeah, I really am excited. I can't wait to wear them. I really hope that I get like a picture somewhere outside with them glowing in the dark. I'm sure I will. I'm sure I'll be making a lot of boomerangs all summer of my glow in the dark slides, and I'm really looking forward to that. So these were just super cool, and I wanted to share them because I had never seen them before, and I just think they're really super cool. So I wanted to share. They do come in these little dusters. I'm not sure if they're called dusters for shoes the same way they are called dusters for purses. I'm not too sure. These are what they look like up close. That is the Fluorescent BB logo. Then on the bottom, the sole of the shoe, it says Balenciaga. They are ridged, I guess you would call this, which is a really nice feature in slides because I do have a few pairs of slides that are flat on the bottom and I have slipped and fallen. And then on the heel of the shoe, I think that's super cute. It also says Balenciaga. I can't wait to wear them. I just love them because it's like if you're wearing them in the daytime, they just look like regular black and white Balenciaga slides. And then as soon as it gets dark, girl, they light up, you lit, lighting up the room, lighting up the night. I'm here for it. I love them. So I basically just wanted to get on here and unbox these and show you how cool they were, because I haven't seen anybody talk about these slides. I haven't seen anybody with these slides. I haven't seen it. And just a little tea, they're not sold out yet on bloomingdales.com. So, you know, you might want to run and get you a pair. You might want to do that. I have an Instacart order outside. Instacart just hit me up. My order is outside. So that is the perfect time to close out this video. Thank you so much for watching another designer unboxing here on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you're hitting the thumbs up button, as well as making sure you're subscribed to my channel. If luxury items are your thing, like I said, I do a lot of unboxings, but I do a lot of other content. So definitely make sure you're hitting that red subscribe button. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.